Akbayan, Childiocno, Mamayang Liberal, Laila de Lima, pasok sa Kongreso. Hindi lang sila Kiko at Bam ang mga sorpresa. Nag-top notch rin ang akbayan na Nooy Colela and hindi sana makakukuha ng seat kung hindi lang na-disqualify yung isa sa mga party list last year. Kung ba last year lang sila nagkaroon ng seat. And you know, now they're on the top of the world. But on creation and the only explanation I can find. Anyway, from no seat for most of the 19th Congress to the top notcher with 6.5% of total votes sa party lists, a 10 times freaking improvement, talagang napaka-outstanding na kanilang comeback sa politika in just 3 years. Now, we will be getting Attorney Childiocno sa House of Representatives where he will be taking names and kicking ass.
Attorney Chel, how do you envision yourself in the House? Ano po, ang magiging stance ba ng akbayan ay magiging oposisyon sa liderado ng Kamara or you're willing to have some collaborations or critical collaborations with the administration or kung sino man ang maging speaker ng Kamara?
Tingin ko ang pinaka-effective na opposition ay yung issue position. Ibig sabihin nun ay titingnan na dapat ng grupo at I'm referring to my group of Akbayan, yung bawat issue at ano ba dapat ang magiging panindigan namin para sa taong bayan. Yun naman talaga yung requirement, di ba, ng isang mambabatas na ang nire-represent niya, hindi naman ang sarili, kundi ang lahat ng sektor na ating lipunan. So whenever there will be issues, that's the lens that we will look through. Yeah. So maaaring magkaroon ng mga sitwasyon na pareho ang tingin na sa administration, sa issue. For example, West Philippine Sea. Yes. We're happy with the way the administration is conducting itself when it comes.
With former Senator Attorney Laila de Lima from Mamayang Liberal also getting a